Today we're making chicken shawarma. We're making a batch in the Instant Pot, and we're also making a batch in the air fryer. Made an incredibly flavorful tzatziki sauce that goes perfect with our chicken shawarma. We rolled ours in a tortilla. And that is me. I am Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. We're cooking it up in our 30-foot fifth wheel. If you find our videos helpful, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share our video with your friends and family. I'm going to start this recipe out by making our chicken shawarma rub. I'm going to start it with some granulated garlic, and some allspice, nutmeg, ground cloves, cinnamon, turmeric, cumin, coriander. We'll add a little salt, some dried red peppers, and of course some fresh cracked black pepper. And we'll stir our shawarma seasoning. And we'll get the juice from 1 lemon. We'll add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to a Ziploc bag or a mixing bowl. We'll drop in our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use bone-in chicken thighs if you'd like. We'll zip our bag closed. We're gonna shake our chicken up, make sure it gets well covered in lemon juice. And now it's time to add our shawarma flavor. Zip it back up, and we will mix it up real well. Give it a good massage till all of our chicken is well covered in that shawarma flavor. We'll push all the air out and seal our Ziploc bag. We'll let our chicken sit in our RV refrigerator until it's time for dinner. It's time to make our Tassiki Sauce. We're going to peel 1 cucumber. You can use an English cucumber if you'd rather. Slice our cucumber lengthwise into 4 strips. Use a tablespoon to remove the cucumber seeds. And we'll shred our cucumber. Now drop it into a colander or a strainer. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. And we'll take the zest from 1 lemon. And we need the juice of 1 lemon for our tzatziki sauce as well. We'll start our tzatziki sauce with some salt and some dried dill. You can use fresh dill if you'd rather. A little granulated onion, and some granulated garlic, some fresh cracked black pepper, and then we'll add our lemon zest, and 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. We'll add our shredded cucumber, and only 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt to keep all of our flavor. Turns out gorgeous. We'll preheat our air fryer for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. We will spray our hot basket with a little bit of olive oil. We'll place 4 of our marinated chicken thighs into our basket. Spray them with oil, and we'll return our basket to our air fryer. We'll set our air fryer temperature to 300 degrees, and for boneless, skinless chicken thighs, we'll do a total of 20 minutes. We'll add a little chicken bouillon and some water to our Instant Pot. You can use chicken broth if you'd rather. And we'll drop our chicken thighs directly into that broth. And if you have more than 4 chicken thighs, you can put them all in there on top of each other. We'll put our Instant Pot lid on, seal our pressure release valve. We will pressure cook for 15 minutes with a 10-minute natural pressure release. And it's time to thin slice our red onion. And thick slice some Roma tomatoes. And we'll take 4 or 5 washed and dried green lettuce leaves and tear them down to smaller pieces. After 20 minutes, our smaller boneless, skinless chicken thighs are done, but our bigger ones could use a few more minutes. Use a thermometer to make sure they're 165 degrees. And if they're not done, we'll just put them in at 300 degrees for another few minutes till your temperature is just right. Everybody's air fryer is a little different, just keep an eye on it. After another 5 minutes, all of our chicken thighs were at a nice crust on the outside. It was juicy on the inside. We released our pressure after 10 minutes of natural pressure release in our Instant Pot, and we took our lid off. We carefully removed our ridiculously tender chicken thighs. As you can see, our chicken thighs are falling apart as we pull them out of the broth. And then we'll warm a large tortilla, 270 degrees for 2 minutes in our air fryer. And we'll tear down a chicken thigh from the Instant Pot. As you can see, 0 effort is needed. And our air fryer chicken thigh, a little more solid, tender and juicy, with a nice crust on the outside. We put a pile of our Instant Pot chicken shawarma on one side and a pile of our air fryer chicken shawarma on the other. With a large bed of lettuce. With a few thick sliced Roma tomatoes. A small handful of thin sliced red onions. What a good amount of our Tassiki sauce. You can wrap your chicken shawarma in pita bread. We used a burrito-sized tortilla just to change it up a little bit. Open this thing up and got ourselves a delicious chicken shawarma burrito. Took us a while to get our shawarma recipe just right for you guys. Now it's time to share it with you. I hope you like it. I had a whole lot of fun, and it's time to say goodnight. if you like our videos. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch. Give us a thumbs up and share us with your friends and family. If you are interested in this recipe, there is a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it. You can print it off. We also have some links to some of the product and tools that we use in our kitchen if you want to get anything for yourself. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. We do appreciate you. Take care of yourselves out there. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.